Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Cole's Christmas Countdown. This is my third eye look of the day and my eyeballs are beginning to hurt. If you're new here, hi, my name is Cole. I like fun, bright, colourful makeup. And if you do too, you are in the right place. Today, I'm nervous. She's nervous because we're going to be bingoing with death. Dark. Today, we're going to be doing a palette bingo with the Cosmic Beauty Death palette, which is this festive season's least festive release in my eyes. Today we're doing it a little bit differently. Now, obviously, I would normally do these with Millie, but she abandoned me and didn't buy this palette. Rude. So, we're going to be doing it a little bit different today. Today I've had Sam pick 5 shades. We're going to get a random number generator to pick 5 shades, and then we're going to put them on the eyes. We're going to do one look on each eye. So this left eye will be Sam's eye, and this right eye will be the random number generator. And I want you to tell me who won, because I do like a little vote. Sam thinks he's going to win. Sam picked an interesting colour story, let's just say. So we're going to see who wins. We are not judging the battery percentage of my telephone, thank you. It is what it is. So without further ado, let's get in and let's generate our 5 random shades from the random generator. So we've got 1 to 20 in here. Oh, are you going to focus? There we go. 1 to 20, let's generate shade number 1. Shade number 1 is number 4, which is Letting Go, which is like a grey shade. Okay, I like the fact we're starting with a matte. That does always fill me full of confidence. Then, oh, are you going to do it? There we go, 12. Okay, 12 and then 20. Okay, so 12 is Surrender. Okay. Not necessarily 2 colours I would normally pair together. And then 20 is the black, which is called The End. If somebody could help me out with a little shim right now, that would be great. Let's generate again. 11. Okay, we've got a shim. 11 is Growth. It feels really alien. Okay, that's a beautiful, shifty, like browny. Okay, that could pull in the brown tone. I'm not sure how I'm going to mix that with the grey though. And then finally, oh, what has gone on? I don't know, I pressed something. Finally, 20 again. Really wants me to use the black. We've got 8. Okay, number 8 is Acceptance, which is this shade here. Okay, so that is the colour story that the random number generator has picked for us. Now Sam decided to pick 1 from each row. So the first shade he picked is 8. I used this in my first impressions. It was absolutely beautiful. I think it's 8. XII. Is that 8? XIII. I don't know. I'm not good at the what's it even called? Roman numerals, that's the one. So he picked 8. Then he picked Acceptance. No, he didn't. No, he picked Release. It was 1, 2, 4, 4, 2. Yeah. So Release is a beautiful bright blue. Then he picked Surrender, which is that mustard. So this is the only crossover shade we have between the 2 looks. Sam's is like a lot lighter. He then picked Transformation on the red row, which is a like shifty pinky gold. And then finally he picked Awakening, which is a stunning dark purple. I don't know how this dark purple is going to blend with that Acceptance shade, but I feel better about that than trying to blend it with greys. So this is Random Generator, and these are Sam's picks. Before I do any looks, which one do we think is going to be better? Because I think it's going to be Sam. I think Sam's going to win here, but we will see. Sam, I think you're going to win. I think you're going to win. Yeah. I don't know whether you heard him, but he just whoop whooped. Right, okay. I guess we will start with the only shade we have a crossover with. I'm just going to move all this stuff out the way. I'm going to start with a Jordana t-shirt JTE 5. Okay, I think for this one I want to do a cut crease because we've got a lot of pretty shimmers. For this one, I think I want to do a halo eye. So, I'm going to start with Acceptance from the palette. We're going to start with the Random Number Generator shade. I'm just going to put this all through the crease. And I'm not going to wing this out. I think the best way to do this is to use the grey and the black as the outer halo eye. And then just pop this in the crease just for a little bit of definition. And a little bit of something to blend into. It's a really weird shade. It's like a poopy brownie mustard, which I do enjoy a weird shade. I'm just not, honestly, when I look at this palette, I just don't really see a matte to pair with it. I feel like I would rather pair like a deep brown or like a green with this rather than like the cooler blues and purples and greys. This is honestly possibly one of my least favourite colour stories from Cosmic. I feel like I need to redo my ranking because I feel like they've brought out a lot of palettes this year. And yeah, it's just, there's something about this that doesn't draw me in. I love the blues in it and I love the purples, but I feel like the reds kind of don't make a lot of sense to me, personally. Okay, right, we've blended that into the crease of that eye. For the other eye, I've just realised I've been calling it Acceptance. It's called Surrender. We're going to do this in a cut crease. And for once, I don't have to match my eye look. I really want to shout out Jem from Just Jem here, because without her, I'd have never ever thought of putting an eye look on each eye. And honestly, it's revolutionised my life. I'm not going to lie. I'm not gonna lie. And then I'm just gonna wipe off my brush because it's a little bit more intense than I want it to be. And just kind of buff it out. It's a very strange shade, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. It's very odd. Right, okay. Let's focus first on... Let's do the palette bingo because I don't like this colour story as much. Right, we're going to start off with the shade Letting Go. And we're taking this on a Jordana t-shirt JTE 11. I'm going to start just packing this on the outer and inner corner of the eye. I'm just going to start blending it ever so slightly. Essentially what I want to do with this is make sure that the grey is blended, so I don't have to do a lot of blending with the black. Okay, to be fair, that doesn't look as odd as I thought it was going to look. And then I'm just going to wipe off any kind of fresh product on that brush. And we're just going to blend out these edges a little bit. Pop in into a little bit of Surrender to do that with. Do you know what? I'm glad I did this because I would have never paired that brown with these greys, but I actually quite like the way that looks. I'm going to wipe off my brush again and we're going to go into the end, which is the black. We're using this very lightly because it's incredibly pigmented. And I'm just going to put some of that on the very, very outer corner and the very, very inner corner. Okay, I don't hate that. I don't hate it. Right, for the other eye, I'm going to take a JT9. None of my brushes are clean. This is a new brush set. It was clean before I started filming with it. And I filmed like 3 videos today, 1 video yesterday, and now they're most definitely not clean. We're going to go into Awakening, which is that purple shade. I'm really hoping this kind of blends with this mustard, but we will see. And I'm just going to start by drawing out. Are these two going to blend together or are they going to get really muddy? I'm going to wipe off the brush. I'm going to take Surrender. And I'm going to start attempting to blend this purple. It's definitely getting muddy. Okay, I'm just going to take a slightly bigger, slightly fluffier pencil brush that is wiped off. I don't love that. I actually like the way these mattes have gone together a little bit better. I'll put a little bit more of that black. But let's see what we can do with shimmers. Right, so for the halo eye, I'm gonna start with Acceptance, which is the kind of bluey shade. I'm going to be using the same brush for all 5 shimmers, so please bear with me. And then we're going to take Growth, to be fair actually, because Acceptance has got that like browny tint to it. It has actually blended really well with Growth, and I think that kind of pulls together the black and the brown a little bit more. Right, okay, for the Sam side, we're going to take Release, which is that beautiful bright blue. I'm going to pop this on the outer corner. This shade is stunning. Then we're going to do Transformation in the middle. And I'm actually going to take that all the way into my inner corner because I think I want to use XII on the inner corner. Okay, so we're packing on Transformation, and then I'm going to go into a little bit more of, I've forgotten it again, Release, and we're going to kind of mix those together, back into a little bit of Transformation. God, these names, too complicated for me, thank you. Okay, I like those 2 shimmers together. I think they look really nice together. I'm then going to take my teeny tiny pencil brush, the 9. I'm going to use that to connect up. Okay. I genuinely thought Sam was going to win, but I think I prefer this one. Right, I'm going to do the rest of my face, then we'll come back to do the rest of the look. Right, okay, that is the rest of my face done. We are going to start off with the random generated side. I'm going to take the grey called Letting Go. And I'm just going to smoke this under the lower lash line. And for the lash line, for that one, that is all we're going to do. We're going to take the purple, I think. I don't think I want to mix anymore. So we're just going to take that for that one. That's literally all I want to do for that one. Then for the inner corner, we're going to take XII on Sam's side. This is such a beautiful shade. If you want like a blinding silver highlight, this is the one you need in your life. And then I think I'm gonna do growth on the random number generator side. That's such a pretty shade. I love that. And then I am just gonna take that little pencil brush, just take a little bit of the black just to make sure we've not kind of completely lost it with that shimmer. And I think we are done. Let's do some mascara. I don't know about you guys, but I bloody love getting in my pyjamas at like 3 o'clock on a Sunday. Just feels very like resetting for the week. Okay, let's take this fringe down. We're going to do a little touch of L'Oreal Lavender Honey on the lips to keep in with that cool tone theme. And that is the looks. So we've got the random number generator, and then we've got Sam's picks. Which do we prefer? I think I prefer this one. I'm not going to lie, but let's see what Sam prefers. Sam, which do you prefer? Come and tell. Come and tell.
Hello.
Hello, which side do you prefer?
This side. Is that mine?
Yeah, I prefer this side.
Yeah.
I do. So for Sam, he won. For me, the random number generator won. Let me know in the comments which side do you prefer. I actually really like this look and I would recreate it, which doesn't often happen with a random number generated look, especially with a palette that I feel like doesn't necessarily have the most cohesive colour story. I'm really happy with how this turned out. So let me know in the comments who's won. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, hit subscribe. And if you want to make sure you never miss another video, hit the bell icon and YouTube will notify you next time I talk. Next time I post. Next time I talk if you want. You've been fabulous. I've been Karla and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.